Hey, hello guys, finally having a new video after years in hiatus, but just got myself the new Galaxy Z Flip 3. Got a good deal on this one. I got the Z Flip itself $200 off for the pre-order, and at the same time I get a credit when I'm getting something else. And everywhere else they give you like the buds and the chargers and everything and so on, like in a bundle. But online you can actually select another product, which I did for the Galaxy Watch 4. So the one I had is the Gear S2, so it's in time to get the new one anyway. So here it is. Great thing about it is this is now in Wear OS, so you can run all the good application, sort of the limited one in Tizen OS. Getting this one, I got $200 off. So from Canadian dollars 370, I think, down to 170. Trade-in program, so I can return my Gear S2. I'm basically getting this one an extra $100 off. So I'm basically paying $70 just for this watch. So $200 off this one, $300 off that one. So that's a good deal. And on top of it, if you pre-order this one, you get the charger. So I'm getting all that for just $70 more. This one I got is actually the exclusive online one. So there is the pink, white, and gray that is actually exclusive color online. So I actually had to wait for a long time for this one, so I just got the shipment today. So without further ado, let's look at the main thing. We'll go back to this too later on. So here it is, the Galaxy Z. Nice package. It's in a small, slim box. The main reason why is that they don't include the charger anymore. So yeah, let's open that up. Let's see how nice this opens. Nice. Oh. There it is. There you go. It's the white color. So I got the white color, not the cream one. The cream one, you have the bezel and so on. It's on the shinier color, where this one is black and it's matte as well. So I think that's pretty cool. So anything I can say is either the Panda phone, just like the Pixel, or the Stormtrooper. Put this aside. As usual, this with every one of them comes with the ejector tool, and thank God there is the USB-C cable. So it's USB-C to USB-C. So here it is. Just pull this tab. Nope. What do I pull, guys? There you go. There it is. Softer than I thought. Yeah, and it is harder to close. Open on one hand. Not that's easy. Let's try to close that again. Fingerprint test. Oh, that's good. It's quite matte, so it's not that shiny, so it's not showing fingerprint that much. Just perfect. And again, the side is not shiny, it's matte black. It's good. I see the crease and I can feel it, but it's almost nothing at all. This is the white one. I will get a gray one. My wife ordered the gray one, but that one still hasn't been shipped yet. Subscribe and like the video. I'll continue making videos on this phone, see what else I can explore in terms of the software itself, edition, and any other features. I know there's already a lot of videos out there for it. but if you have any questions on this one for me, I can explore and share it with you guys. Okay, so with the phone to the side, let's look at the watch. So since I got the black and white, I'm thinking continue with that theme and have the white watch. The middle section of it should be black, but only the outside is silver. So without further ado, let's try to unbox this one. There it is. Well, it's not as white. It's not as white as I thought it is. It's almost kind of like dirty white or gray. But I like the bigger screen. You can see on the angle. I'll turn it on later. And I chose this one. I did try it in the store. So that's how it looks in the hand. Not bad at all. I don't have the biggest hand, so I didn't get the classic. I got this one, which is fits nicely. As everybody said regarding the band there, it protrudes a little bit, but not too bad. But yeah, it's more of a gray color. I like it for the white Z Flip 3 and the white Galaxy Watch 4. So for anything else coming up, I'll see if I can play around with these devices and give you guys update on how it is. Thank you. Bye guys.